Today we're gonna be unboxing the utility sink pump. Here's what comes in the box. You got the manual, you got some connections for your 3 inlets, and here's the 800-watt sink pump. It's nice and small. It has 3 inlets and 1 out. So you can see it's right here. In has 1 here, and it has 1 here. You can attach 3 different type of plumbing in here, from like the bathtub, the sink, and the washing machine, and this will get rid of all of it. 3 in 1. You don't have to wash it. There's a washing button here, so you hit it here and it will clean itself. 800 watts, so it's very powerful. It's very quiet. If you don't have a way to connect your things to the sewage, you can get this, and it's just one little connection straight there. You don't have to break the floor or anything. All you have to do is just connect it from here, and you are ready to go. It's very quiet. It has a 2,200 gallons per hour flow rate, so yeah, it's pretty good. It's 15 inches long by 6, so it's very small. It's a workhorse, so it's very well priced. So if you have a basement or anything that needs to get your sewage water out, and you don't want to spend money to break the walls or the floor and find, this is your solution right here. 1.1 horsepower. It has 320 feet horizontal. Max temperature is 90. Noise level is 45 dB, and IPX4 water resistant. Max vertical is 32 feet. So definitely recommend it. The pricing is great. You can check their reviews. Everything is good about it. So if you're looking for a sink pump, that will be great. 3 inlets, 3 ins, and you can put multiple appliances to it. The price is right. You don't have to wash it. You wash it yourself. This is the one. So I hope this video helped, and thank you for watching.